Hello everyone, so if you want to insert a dual SIM card into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 and get everything set up, so first of all, grab your SIM ejecting tool. It should be in your box, or you can use any object which is thin enough to fit into this hole, into this SIM tray. So insert it, give it a little push. Now take out your SIM tray. Now locate a place for the SIM 1. Here it is, SIM 1. Grab your first SIM card. It doesn't really matter, but grab the SIM card which you want to be listed at the SIM 1. Turn over your SIM tray. Here you locate your SIM 2. Grab your second SIM card. Insert it the same way. Contacts should be facing up. And when you're inserting it, you'll feel like this little click, which means that it's on its place. Now, grab your SIM tray loaded with the SIM cards and simply insert it into the phone. Easy as that. Now give your phone a few seconds to detect all of the cards, and as you see, it did both. It detected both of the cards. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.